So I want to show us how to create custom fields in Carrotsuite. Custom fields are additional fields you create to add to maybe your client's registration form or marketer registration forms and other forms on the application. So in case there are fields that are not currently added that you think or you know you need for your company's processes, you can easily come to custom fields under settings module. You locate custom fields menu to add it. So the process of adding it is you come here, you click on add custom field, and then you select the form type. So the form type means it shows you the different forms on the application: client, inventory, property, marketer. Let's say it's a client form, we want to add a field. Let's say the field, let's call it mother's maiden name. Then select field type. So these are different field types. Short text means it's just a short answer. Long text is a text box answer. Phone number, checkbox means like I agree to these terms and conditions. That's checkbox. Email, if it's an email. Number, if it's a number. Single choice, more like out of different options there to select one. Multiple choice, out of multiple options there to select multiple options. Then the date or upload file. So let's say we want to use short text, then placeholder, can say mother's maiden name. So if the field is compulsory, we tick compulsory. If the field is optional, we leave it optional. Compulsory means that the form will not save if the customer or the person filling the form doesn't fill that particular field. So that's the purpose of saying it is optional or it is compulsory. So if you say enable for public forms, like client list form has public forms that you can send the customer a link to fill. So if you enable this, it will show on the public form. You get on that form you're sending to clients to fill. If you don't enable it, it will only show internally. That's when you go to add client, you see the fields, the form there is going to show only there, but it won't show on the public. So let's say it is compulsory and we're enabling for public form, which means when the client or the third party is filling the form online from their own locations, they're going to see the field, and then click on add custom field. So quickly, the next thing we're going to work on, we're going to look at how to create custom fields that have links to external websites or okay, since field name already exists. Let's say okay, let's say this is a checkbox. Let's say I agree field name. Let's say I agree to the terms and conditions. So this is a, let's say this is a checkbox, for instance. So to implement this, we need to we want to link out to a page outside the form. So that when they click on terms and conditions, it opens another page for them to read the terms and conditions. So to implement this, we're going to need to write a little code, and we're going to do it this way. So here we'll put okay, let's watch as I do it. And this way you include the website or the web link, web address you want it to link to. Let's say So this is how it will be displayed. This is how it will be displayed, so that when it's clicked on, it goes to this particular address. So this is where you include the web address. You can see it here. This is how you include the web address inside this apostrophe. So we inspect that we've done it correctly, then we save, and this is it. So client, field type, checkbox, compulsory, enable for public forms. It means it will show when you send the link to the client. So then we click on I agree. Now it has successfully saved. So we can go to the form to see what we've just added here. So go to crm.carrotsuite.co, and then from there we will go to clients, then we go to create client. So on the create client form, we're going to see it internally, and we'll also see it on the external link. So so the link will show up here shortly, but meanwhile we're going to see it here. You can see this is agree to terms and conditions. You can see the website link under here. So if you click on this, it takes us to Carrotsuite's website. So that's it. This is how to add it. So this is the checkbox. I agree to the terms and conditions. So if we come up here, this is the link talking about. So this is how to create custom fields that will appear on client form. So we can see even other fields that have been created here. These are drop downs, these are single choice, multiple choice. They've all been created here as demo data, of course. Thank you very much.